Hello everyone! In today's video, we'll dive into how you can use Notion's integration with MeetGeek to supercharge your meeting productivity. Let's get started. MeetGeek's integration with Notion is a game changer for teams who want to keep their meeting documentation organized and actionable. By syncing these tools, you can easily transfer meeting insights, like decisions, action items, or entire meeting transcripts directly into Notion's collaborative workspace. This will cut information silos and misalignment between team members who, for example, were not part of a certain meeting. Let's proceed with the integration of both tools. First, you need to connect Notion to your MeetGeek account. To do so, go to the Integrations section and select Notion. Here you'll see the list of all your Notion pages. Select all or choose the ones you want to be able to update with meeting notes later on. After your Notion's workspace is connected to MeetGeek, you have two options to sync meeting assets between the tools. The first one takes place manually. To share a meeting summary, go to the meeting page and click Share Meeting. Then select the Notion logo and confirm if the Send Transcript option is toggled off unless you want to share the whole meeting transcription. Choose the page where you want to send the summary and press Send. You can also share specific highlights by navigating to the Highlights section of the meeting page. Select the highlights you want to share and click Share Highlights. Finally, select the Notion page or database and send. If you would rather automate this process, it takes us to our second method, in which you create a workflow to automatically update Notion with your meeting insights right after the call's end. Go to the Integrations page and enter Workflows. Select Notion as the destination in the Send To field. As before, you can decide between sharing a meeting summary or specific highlights. Enter a name pattern. Note that if you leave this field empty, all meetings will be considered. So if you selected a meeting, the name pattern must be part of the call's name, such as Demo or Weekly. If it's a highlight, it can be, for example, Next Steps. Then choose a Notion page or database. Decide whether to include the transcript and click Save Workflow. After your next meeting, you'll see an updated page or new database entry with the same title as your meeting. Notion is a powerful tool with thousands of templates for different needs and roles. These should be leveraged alongside MeetGeek's meeting templates to level up your productivity. Marketing teams can use MeetGeek with Notion to plan campaigns. You can sync meeting summaries and action items to ensure everyone is aligned on tasks and deadlines. For HR teams, it streamlines the interview process. Record and transcribe interviews with MeetGeek and automatically update the Notion database of all candidates with interview notes, dates, and decisions, so you can go back to the notes whenever you or your colleagues need them. Project managers can use it to track project implementation. Meeting summaries, tasks, and deadlines will automatically sync to Notion, keeping your project on track. For sales, it ensures that key insights and follow-up actions from your demos, or, for example, customer calls to track churn reasons, are documented and easily accessible by other teams. C-level executives can use it for all-hands meetings. Mostly if your teams are spread across multiple locations, it will help you ensure that all key points and action items are captured and shared through the organization. For customer success, product, and UX research teams, this integration helps capture feedback and insights from discovery calls, keeping the teams informed and aligned. Using MeetGeek with Notion streamlines documentation, improves collaboration, and ensures all meeting insights are actionable. In the end, this integration helps teams stay organized, more productive, and make data-driven decisions. Try this powerful combination and boost your productivity and team collaboration. Waste no more time. Get started with MeetGeek today.